Hi students, today let us see how to find HCF by common factor method. Highest common factor or greatest common divisor. I told you already two methods for finding highest common factor. What are they? First one is division method, second one is prime factorization method, and this is the third method, common factor method. Okay, let us see one problem. It is easy for you, only thing you must learn the tables perfectly. Okay, so first question, using the common factor method, using the common factor method, find HCF of 36 and 48. 36 and 48. First let us see the factors of 36 and 48 separately. Okay, using common factor method, what are the given numbers here? 36 and 48. Now find out factors of 36 first. Find out the factors of 36. 1. I told you already, 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself, right? So 1 is a factor, 2 will go, 2 18s are 36, tables I am writing, right? 3 also will go, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 5 cannot go, 6 6 are 36, 7 8 9 4s are 36, right? 10 cannot go, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36, 36 ones are 36, right? So factors of 36 are these. Now take factors of 48 also. 1 is a factor of every number, comma, 2 will go, 3 16s, 4 12s, 5 6 8s are 48, 7 8 6 are 48, next 12 4s are 48, next 16 3s are 48, next 24 2s are 48 and 48 ones are 48. First write the factors of given numbers. Okay, now trace out the common factors. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, common factors I am rounding. Okay, 6 6 and 12 12, right? That's all. Here the common factors are, here the common factors are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Among these, what is the highest common factor? That is 12. Among common factors you find out highest. What is the highest common factor? The highest common factor is, what is the highest common factor here? Is 12. Therefore, HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. Clear? This is the way to do this problem. First find out the factors of given numbers, next trace out the common factors. Among the common factors, the highest common factor is the HCF, right? Let us see one more problem. 18, 27 and 36. 18, 27, second problem. 18, 27 and 36. Three numbers are given, right? 18, 27 and 36. Now let us find the factors first. Let us find the factors first. Okay. Given numbers are 18, 27 and 36. What are the factors for these numbers? First, factors of 18 let me take. 1 is a factor of every number. 2 9s are 18. 3 6s are 18. 4 cannot go. 5 cannot go. 6 3s are 18. 7, 8, 9 2s are 18. Right? 9 2s are 18. And 18 1s are 18. That's all. Now what are the factors of 27? 1 is a factor of every number. 2 cannot go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3s are 27 and 27 1s are 27. Right? Factors of 36. 1 will go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 are 36. 7, 8, 9 4s are 36. 12 3s are 36. 18 2s are 36 and 36 1s are 36. So first write the common factors of given numbers. What are the common factors here? 1 is there in every factor. 2 not there. 3 is there. 4 no. 6 not there. 9 is there. Right? 9 is there. What are the common factors now? 1, 3, 9. Here the common factors are 1, 3 and 9. Among these common factors, what is the highest common factor? 9. The highest common factor is 9. Therefore, HCF of 18, 27 and 36 is 9. Right? This is the way to do the problem. Clear? Now one more problem we will see. (16, 32 and 49). 16, 32 and 49. Third problem. So what are the given numbers here? 16, 32 and 49. Now find out the factors of 16. 1 table will go, 2, 3 cannot go, 4, 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16 and 16 1s are 16. Factors of 32. 1, 2, 3, 4 8s are 32, 5, 6, 7, 8 4s are 32, right? 16 2s are 32 and 32 1s are 32, right? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Next, factors of 49. 1 will go, 2 cannot go, 3 no, 4, 5, 7 will go and 49. Right? 1, 7 and 49. Among these, what is the common factor? Only 1 is there. See? Only 1 is the here. Here the common factor is, the common factor among all those factors is, common factor is only 1. The highest common factor is, the highest common factor is only 1. That means therefore the HCF of 16, 32, 49 is 1. If HCF, under note you can make this point, if HCF, if highest common factor is 1, then such numbers are called relatively primes or co-primes. Such numbers are called relatively primes or relatively primes or co-primes. Such numbers are called relatively primes or co-primes. If HCF of given numbers is 1, then we say that they are called relatively primes or co-primes. Relatively primes or co-primes. We will see one more problem. Fourth one. Fourth question. Twenty-four, 36, 24, 36, 45 and 60. Four numbers are given. So how to calculate this? Okay, let us see. Given numbers are 24, 36, 45 and 60. First, what should you do? You have to find the factors of given numbers. So F24. F24 means, what did I say? Factors of 24. 1 is a factor of every number. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Right? Next 12 2s are 24 and 24 1s are 24. 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself, right? Next, factors of 36. 1 will go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 6 are 36. 9 4s are 36, right? 12 3s are 36 and 18 2s are 36 and 36 1s are 36. Next, factors of 45. 1, 2 cannot go, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 5s are 45, 15 3s are 45 and 45 1s are 45. Next, factors of 60. 1 will go 2 30s and 3 20s, right? 4 15s, 5 12s, 6 10s are, right? Write all the factors, right? 6 7 8 9 10 6 are, 12 5s are, 15 4s are, 23s are 60, right? 23s are 60, 32s are 60 and 61s are 60. Write all the factors of given numbers and now trace out the common factors among all the factors. Now 1 is there, 2 not there, right? 3 is there, 4 not there, 5 not there, 6 not there, 8 not there, 9 not there, 12 not there, 24. Therefore, what is the highest common factor? Here, the common factor is, common factors are 1, 3. Among those, what is the highest common factor? The highest common factor is 3. Therefore, HCF of 24, 36, 45 and 60 is 3. So, these all numbers are divided by 3 exactly, right? That is the highest common factor. Okay, this is the way you have to calculate. I will give you some problems to practice yourself. You do yourself. Okay, do yourself. Okay, first question. 8, 12, 18. 8, 12, 18. 16 and 35. If there is no common factor, that will be 1. They are said to be relatively primes or co-primes. 25, 20, 27 and 75. So you try to do those 4 problems yourself, then you can understand the procedure. Okay? Let us see how to find the LCM, least common multiple, in the next class. Hope it is clear. Thank you.